Mm. Hello guys, hi. I guess my voice is audible to you. Good evening, everybody.
Yeah, hi, good evening, guys.
So let's start. Let's go to the basically, yeah, one good like trade we are like sitting in here. You can see basically we picked it up somewhere around here. Like you can see, 4,850 level. From there, it is now still running. Our target is like pretty much big here, very much big.
So we are
So we're trying to
expecting, you can
kind of a
say,
swing trade
day
only.
high.
Yeah, it's a swing trade only probably. No, today only it might go to above 5,000 something like that. The pace is really good. Okay, so we are expecting that one. So if we got profit somewhere around maybe 60K
Yeah.
something like that.
So here, if you see now, this high we were getting 20K. So here we were getting almost 20K. This is the first major resistance according to our levels.
Yeah,
After that,
exactly.
we have these highs. And if these highs are also taken out, we can expect the today's high, which is these levels.
That is 5,000
So
easily.
same level we are planning 5,010, 5,015. So if we see the market is again going down, then we have to cover our position. Why? Because the difference is too much. If you see your entry is here
Yeah,
50 and now it is almost 900. So 40, 50 points is up.
50 points it's already weak.
Yeah, so 10 points if you see it's coming down.
Exactly.
So profit also if you see 6,000, 7,000 it came down.
Yeah.
So we are expecting that slowly market gold can go up. If you see here the structure of gold, what's happening, it is respecting the EMAs as of now. You see, it tried to give a breakdown failed, and see again slowly it's going up. So this slowly it's going up, now it's a good thing. What is happening every time market is going slowly, it is giving the sellers a hope. Okay, market can reverse from here. If you see these three red candles came again went up, then red candle again went up. So this kind of thing is also good. So let's say what happens if market is again slowly going up, we can still get a good profit. So we are expecting today's high, Japanese high, which is around 5,020, 5,024.
So
Let's see.
now
So almost half of the profit went away.
that's like volatile. The nature of the gold as of now, it is running like that only. Too much volatile. And one thing, what happened is like I posted you in the Discord also silver trade. So anybody got that trade? Anybody took that trade here, guys? I shared you in the morning only. So basically, here will be our entry, and the stop loss will be here. Like 71.6084 will be our entry, and our target. Sorry, our target will be $75, and our like the same that is a high of the day, and $70 will be our stop loss. Okay, one point like almost $1.4 stop loss, and like target will be one point almost $4, something like that. Okay, so what happened exactly is like see, as I told you and I mentioned, and I have took a limit order over here.
Yeah.
Exactly the tiny fraction the difference was there, and it came here and it started bouncing back. So again, see, almost it went to like $4 upside, three at $3.5. I 1:2 was already done, so I cancelled it. You can see here I have placed the order like priorly only. Then I have no need of keeping it. Doesn't make sense. I exited that one. Okay, I closed that one. If you are upsetting, and that will be a very good trade. If you want to show you here, here it took. Basically in this one, it has like you see, it came and it popped up here and it went.
Yeah, just tapped and go.
Yeah, now still it is running. You see, my target almost it was done here only. So 1:2, I'm going for almost 1:3. You see, it almost came to this high and reversing back from here. The day high almost it came here and the rejection is going on here. So simple strategies only, not so much complications here,
Yeah.
something like that. Okay, simple, which we will be discussing here every day.
Yeah, see, everything we are taking basically it's based on price action, nothing else.
Yeah.
The thing is that we are focusing more on the risk reward ratio. If I show you guys risk reward ratio, what happened from here to here, if you see stop loss is how much? Stop loss is almost 9 points, and if you see how many points we got here,
50
so
points.
50 points, 1:5. So
Exactly.
sometimes what happens now, if you have conviction, you can hold trades like this. Again, risk is very much 4,000, 5,000 almost in this trade,
Yeah.
and we are getting almost 21,000. So this thing, what we are trying to explain is that if you are focusing on in trading, instead of going with accuracy thing, try to go with the risk reward ratio thing. 1:3, 1:4 also you will get. Again, if you see it came half of the profit is now gone. You see 20,000, it came to 10,000. So let's say still we are very much confident. Again, if the market goes against our view, what we will do, we will now simply trail the stop loss to the cost and then we can leave it. Now it's up to the market how market is going to respect it or not. So this thing we are doing. Why? Because again we are expecting another 100 points from here. So
Yeah.
this is 4,900 level. So again 100 points we are expecting. We can also be wrong, but still in this trade now we have nothing to lose. Still here we will getting 20,000. And if you see now this trade I've already shared in the community before that trade even executed.
Yeah.
So if anyone has taken this trade, they will also made good money here. So
Exactly.
see the structure of the
Same
gold.
thing. So whenever we are
Yeah,
punching a trade, we'll try to share it,
we'll
like
try to share
silver,
it.
gold, whatever we are trying to take.
See, properly respecting the this EMAs. So sometimes when market goes directional, this kind of move it will give you. Same thing here on the downside,
This is
respecting
basically,
the EMAs.
so guys, this is 9 and 21 EMA.
Exactly. So
Nothing fancy or something
yeah,
here.
9 and 20 EMAs. Things are pretty much simple. We are not doing anything complicated. The thing is that how you are using the indicators, how you are using the strategy. That is going to make the big difference. It's
Yeah.
not about what we are doing, what you are doing,
Are you
how you
convinced
are
with it?
using. Yeah,
Yeah. Are you convinced? Are you believing it? According to that, you are
exactly.
punching it. That is very important.
So execution matters. How you are executing basically. That is the important thing here.
Exactly.
So again, if you see from 4,900 to 78, so 25 points it came down.
That's fine. We'll say again, like if you're getting any trades again,
Yeah,
for you guys, you can enter. Why? Because our capital we have utilized here somewhere around
60,
67,000.
65,000, 60, 65,000.
Yeah, so that and we will be giving you trades if you have anything to take care.
Yeah, so guys, anyone else holding the same trades in gold or silver? Anyone else here holding this gold trade or silver trade or anything else you want to discuss? Huh?
Yeah, you
Please put
can.
in the chat box now. If anyone wants to discuss their trades, it will help everyone. Na? Everyone will get an idea. You will also understand something new. So try to observe what is our insights, what is our experience. You will at least learn something new if you are a beginner or if you have just started your journey in trading specifically in gold.
Exactly.
So now you see now we are trading in XAU USDT. Earlier we used to trade in PAXD,
Yeah,
which was crypto backed gold. So now we CryptX launched this XAU USDT. So now you can trade directly in this, and this is directly linked to the international gold. If you see here, same prices almost. XAUSDT and XAU USD. This is TradingView and this is CryptX platform. So
exactly.
see the prices of the gold almost similar.
Similar.
So silver also we have launched, guys. If you see here, silver also we have launched here. This is gold and this is silver. You see here. So silver also is we have launched. So you can trade in silver also.
Aluminum.
Aluminum is also there. No, this is not aluminum. Okay. So these things we have launched. Now, the only thing is that try to utilize this thing, try to take trades, try to follow what we are doing. Everything will see, things will not happen one day, but over the period of time, you will improve. You will see that improvement is coming, and that thing will you will notice first in your trading, in your PNL. That now you will start becoming profitable. So the first change you will see will be in your PNL. So just try to follow the things what we are doing. If you have any doubt, you can connect with us. This live streaming we are conducting. So we have seen we can trail the stop loss, right? Yeah, we can trail the stop loss. Exactly. You see here, if I want to trail the stop loss, you see stop loss is here. I can do stop loss here also. Here also I can do. You see here, let's say I'm putting here. You see, I put my stop loss here. So we got 1 is to 5, but again we did not trail our stop loss. We did not book. This is the level I was expecting that it can act as a resistance. But the thing is, the target is big.
Definitely. So, guys, we are basically trying to go for a very long trade.
Exactly, because the target is again 100 points from here. So that is why we are taking risk. From here to here, we are getting 50 points. Now our target is another 100 points.
Exactly.
We can be wrong also. There is nothing about this thing. But we are taking that risk.
Exactly. So see, that is like almost we are in like profit only. We will end up in the profit only. Nothing like that. Right? It's completely fine for us.
So Madras Buddy PXD is same thing, na? You see, this is same thing. Gold and PXD is same thing.
Both
If
are
you want to trade in PXD, you can trade in PXD also.
yeah, one advantage is also there. That is like
Exactly.
two advantages basically 40x leverage and like 24 into 7 you can trade. So
Exactly.
XAUSD will stop at like 5 days. Okay. And after that, this
USD.
yeah.
Yeah, so you
Okay.
will get more leverage. That
Yeah,
is the thing
exactly.
in PXE. You can trade in anyone. If you want more leverage, you can trade in PXE. Otherwise, you can trade in XAU USDT. So both things are there. Both things are there, guys. So Madras, it's nothing like that. We are not trading in PXGT anymore. As a beginner, we have that mindset to book the profit when the trend is going against our trend. As a beginner, we have that mindset to book the profit when the trend is going against our trade. See, trend is going against our trade. So if you see the trend of the gold, you see here what is the trend. If I go here in daily time frame, see, let's check here. See what happened after big correction. Again, gold is trying to do little bit slowly going up. See here recovery, then small correction. Again, what we are expecting these highs. Yeah. In XAUSD, which is 5,000 level. Again, our today's target 5,000. So these highs we are expecting as a target. And already we got almost 50 points, but our target is another 100 points on the upside. So profit, this is looking very good. So that is why only we are holding this trade. Otherwise, there is no other point. So same thing you can also try to do. You can also try to do. Vinay, you can also try to the same thing. And guys, one more good thing is that our crypto course is launched now. Our crypto course is launched. So if you are signing up in CryptX, depositing funds, you can get the access of the crypto course plus algo integration. All this stuff you will get. So now, if you haven't opened the account, please open the account and get your free crypto course. Yep. So basically, yeah, guys, let's see again if we are getting the three trade is still running now. It's a good amount of this thing. The risk reward, we are already sitting in a good profit also, and we are trying to go for a very big trade here. Okay, so it may be kind of a swing trade also. We don't know. We will decide in the end of the day how the momentums are there and everything. When US okay. Market will open. Yeah, US market open, how the fluctuations is there. Everything we will try to consider in our mind. Then only we'll try to say, okay, if the momentum is in our favor, the like US market also supported us and started going for the swing lows. Then we will try to go for the bigger target, which is like 5,000, 15, 5,000 or whatever. Exactly. Okay. So pace is there in the gold and silver both today. A really good pace is there. Okay, but we need more and more. So we were telling, when the market is slowly going upside, with the chance of it's coming downside is very high. You can see that this yesterday only bleeded like anything. So again, like we need to see that. So if it is like again, it is going like slow manner. Again, we can see the downfall. But from here, we are trying to expect it should go above the swing of like 88. Basically, what we need is a consolidation. We need. Yeah, consolidation. We need. If you go back, you will see. You see this kind of consolidation we need. You see, guys, basically this kind of consolidation we need something like this where market is going downside, upside, then down. So what happened? This is a very good consolidation, 2 to 3 months of consolidation. Exactly. So once we get 2 to 3 months of consolidation, what will happen? Buying buyers will accumulate. They will start accumulating, and sellers will now trying to exit their positions. And after that, again, market should slowly should start going up. But again, what we are saying to you is that don't expect the same kind of return which the silver has given in the last 5 to 6 months. Exactly. In last to 5 to 6 months, it has completely given 3x return. So somebody was asking me today, like so many people will be asking, right? Yes. So I told that yeah, you can invest. There is no issues about it. 20%. If you are putting 100 rupees, try to put 20 rupees now as of now. Okay, and then slowly you can start influencing. See, it's not like that we should like make like average in the loss also. If it's good also, if you're be making an average in the winning trade also. So if it is continuously from 74, you started investing. If it goes to again 10% higher, then again you can put money. That's fine. Average is making bigger, but if it is in a very good pace, you can carry on like that only. Okay, so how much money you have, that depends completely. Okay, don't put everything at once. Basically, the psychology of these commodities is that they will move slowly. Yeah. Whenever the uncertainty is increasing in the global market, they will move faster. Yeah. So this is the psychology. So again, if everything is going fine in the global events, global market, what will happen? These will move slowly, or a consolidation. Exactly. And if anything against going, something wrong is happening or uncertainties are increasing, what will happen? These will start moving faster, like here. Yeah. Understood. If you see here from here to here, it goes up like how many percentage the silver gave?
Almost 45, 50%.
You see, from here to here, almost
71 percentage.
71 percentage in 36 days.
In just
And
like
now see the correction
5, 7 days,
one,
6 days,
2 and 3 days. In 3 days,
it's
wiped
back to
out
that
the
one.
complete gains. So now, if someone has invested in FOMO, someone is invested their whole investment, whole capital at a single point in FOMO, now
Exactly.
they will be regretting or they will be in kind of loss. So now they will be saying that when I started buying, things started going down. So now people or market is
So you
trading
should
against
see
me.
the things where the market is running. Is it overhyped or what happening
Exactly.
exactly? We were telling in the every time this stuff, like what's really happening. Today NFP is there, news. See, government changes.
That is Canadian.
Canadian, okay. I think is that it.
No, no, no. That news not thing.
As you
As you
mentioned, it's
mentioned,
say you.
can we carry forward till Monday? Yeah, you can
You
carry
can,
forward.
yeah.
You can carry forward.
There is no issues about it.
Yeah. The thing is that this XAUSD has been launched just yet.
Yeah.
So what we will advise you is that as of now, you can this week you can avoid taking carry forward. Just try to understand the structure, and after that you can do it. After that you can do it. You see here, just now it has launched. So after that you can do it. As of now, if you ask me, I will suggest you just to monitor this thing this weekend. After that, you can carry forward. Otherwise, PXC you can trade any day,
However, that is also there.
anytime, any day you can trade.
40x leverage is also there.
24/7 you can trade. 40x leverage you will be getting. You see here.
Exactly.
So all these flexible things we are providing to you guys. The only thing from your side what we want is that just more encouragement, more execution,
So
and
you need to
we are
take trades.
exactly
That's
we
it.
are taking trades in front of you every day. This trade we took, we posted in our communities before the trade executed. We are still holding after this much of time. You see, 2:30 we executed this trade. Now it's almost 6 o'clock. So 3.5 hours we are holding.
Holding capacity, like it will not in a one day it will increase. So it will take definitely time,
Exactly.
years of time it will take.
See, first now you have to have some profits because now we are sitting in profit, so we can hold the trades also.
Exactly.
So if you
But
have past profits, now then only you can do it.
exactly. And you guys hold in reverse manner. So loss you will be
Exactly.
holding for the very long term, but profit you will be exiting very quickly. That is a
Mhm.
very bad thing, but it's fine. It will come everything eventually. It's not like one day you'll start doing everything, you'll understand. That's
So
okay.
things will happen in slowly, slowly manner. If you see the structure is kind of changing now.
Yeah.
But still, we have tailed our stop loss here. So if we are getting here, we will end up in
Somewhere around
4,000
82,
profit only.
22 points downside.
Exactly. So here we were getting 21,000. Now our profit is only 12,000. So
Yeah.
8,000, 9,000, we are down. And now the structure is also changing. You see the candles
You
have
may think
started.
that why exactly you guys are losing that money also. See, we are trying to capture big. This is the
Yeah,
sacrifice. Know what we need to do for to capture the big amounts. Okay. So if I start booking at 20k, we never capture 60k, 50k, 40k. Okay, our mind will like once we start booking at 20k, again next time it will be 15k, 15 to 10k, and it will start decreasing. So now when you start waiting for the bigger profits, then it automatically it becomes a process. So try to
exactly.
build that process, guys.
It will take time, but it's not like that. It is not
Yeah,
possible.
exactly.
Anyone can do
If
this.
we are doing, you can also do it.
Experience, it demands discipline.
Exactly.
So the same thing what we are trying to do here in the live is that to give you guys our own experience insight that what we have seen faced in the starting phase of our journey. So now you can like if someone is starting now, they will be going through the same thing. So try to understand what we are saying. Try to observe our observations, our insights. Slowly, slowly things will happen.
Here was a trade actually. Would have given a trade this way. Right. 12 points, 14 points.
If you want, we can give no issues.
Livex Capital.
So see guys, slowly, slowly it's going up. Again, picking up, pace is picking up. So see in 5 minutes and 15 minutes, market is respecting the EMAs. Let's see, wait for our target, 6:30 US market will open. Let's see what is going to happen. What we need is that we need slow momentum. Fast momentum, what will happen? Fast momentums don't sustain. If you see here, one side direction, again V-shaped recovery. So this is a slow momentum. Whenever the slow momentum comes, now there is a confusion for both sides that which side market is going to blast. So now what's happening? Market is going up, but it's very painful. It's not giving easy money. It will not let you hold easily.
Exactly.
So what we are expecting slowly, when 630, 730 it is around here, then maybe it can give a 40, 50 points direct blast.
Good momentum is coming now, guys, again.
Again, you see here. So now I think we are again sitting in some 15, 16K if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so 15, 16K we are again sitting. So just try to understand, try to observe. So again, it went almost 90 plus. So 4,900, if you see here, this is a 4,900 level. It gave us 1 is to 5 here. 1 is to 5.
Let's check if we see what is happening
Yeah.
in
Guys,
BTC.
anyone else to carry trade here, please update in the chat box now if you have any
Kind of a
confusion.
picking up after a big short selling, no? People will be start covering. That means the
Yeah.
profit booking
So it
stuff will be
tested
there.
60,000 level.
Yeah,
So 60,000 is a round level also. And what more thing now, if you see the high of BTC is 126K.
26.
So it fell down almost 50, more than 50%.
Exactly.
So what happened? It created a kind of this thing, a psychological selling pressure into the BTC holders, investors.
You see,
And when they started selling,
52%
yeah.
fall, guys.
So maybe now it can try to go up, but again, we are not giving you any recommendation.
Yeah, exactly.
So just try to understand the psychological part. Market only basically works on psychology. If you see 120,000, everyone was willing to buy BTC. They were saying like it will go to 200K by the end of the 3 months, 6 months. Now people are not willing to buy at 50,000, 65,000, 70,000. You see here that change in prices. What will happen? Everyone will go bearish.
Exactly.
So
See,
few days back, same thing was happening in gold. Everyone was super bullish. 2 days, everyone psychology changed.
silver as well.
Exactly, silver, gold.
But I was in the bearish when I was telling, if the gold and silver should sustain above these levels, so then only we can see a buying
Yeah.
pressure. So people will get interested after these levels. Why? Because it's a sustainable level. So now gold is like not sustainable level. So because of the pressure is coming, selling is coming, buying is coming, selling is coming. So it's too much volatile is there. And BTC is only the all selling pressure only because that it's a knife, like it's a falling knife. Basically, nobody want to catch that knife. Okay, until they need a good amount of consolidation.
Yeah.
Okay, they will not touch it.
See, BTC is a kind of this asset. BTC will go up very fast and
Come
same
down.
time it will come down even faster.
Exactly.
If you see here, BTC will go up very fast. You see, it will go 5, 10, 15% up and then it will come down even faster because there is no physical asset here. There is no stock market like stocks where it is linked to revenues, all this stuff. It is completely demand, supply, and one more thing, trust.
Exactly.
As long as people have trust in cryptocurrencies, these things have value. Once they start losing this trust, now this 120K thing can go to zero also, or maybe 100,000, 2,000 also. So whatever things you are doing, investment, trading, so please do it carefully. It's your hard-earned money. Don't play with this.
So let's now.
So here, this was a consolidation range in BTC in
Yeah.
2024. You see here, from year to year, almost 7 to
So
8
when we
months.
were sitting at 2000 like this, no, we were talking about BTC like, oh my God, this is
Yeah,
a good breakouts and
yeah,
then market started
70,000. Yeah,
picking up
and
from there.
70,000 it break. You see, went
Directly
to
it went
directly 100,000.
Yeah,
Then
100,000. Then
retracement,
again it is back to
then
that.
120K. So if you see what's happening, every retrace, every breakout, it is going 20% up,
Yeah.
20, 25% up. Here again, retracement 20% up. Now the market has taken all the gains for the last 1.5 years.
Yeah, exactly.
So almost came to the same level. So 1.5 year gain is gone. But don't think that it can again go down or something because if it is going down faster, again it will go up faster like this. You see 3 week candles, complete bullish candle, completely demand. So BTC is a kind of asset now which goes up faster when it is going up. So this is the kind of asset BTC is. If you see the breakout is coming, it is even faster, even faster. So when the price of the cryptos are rising, BTC is rising, more people will buy. And when it is falling down, people will not be interested that much.
Gold is catching up again the pace now.
Yeah, see the gold. So slowly, we don't want the gold to go 40, 60 point, 100 points up in 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes. If it is going like this also, it's fine for us because it is respecting the structure pattern. Every time market is giving a red candle, people are entering, shorts are entering and market is taking them out.
Exactly.
Once what will happen, once it will break the major resistance level supply zone, then you will see a 50-60 point spike.
Very, you see, inverted head and shoulder pattern.
Exactly. So if you see here, already we have marked these zones. First zone is this. Market has taken first retracement. If a market is breaking, then we expecting second retracement zone where market can change the trend is this.
Yeah,
After this is taken out, then we can expect it will try to go to 5,000 levels.
exactly.
So if it is going, so we will see our trade will be 1 is to 16. It will become 1 is to 16. So we will be holding this trade and let's see how the market is
Guys,
going
this
to
1 is
react.
to 16 and also don't do in equity market.
Exactly.
Okay,
You see,
this
no
is
not
not
work.
possible.
It
This
will
is
not
like
work.
gold. As of now, the pace is very good and the stop
Exactly.
loss is ours very decent.
You see,
Okay,
stop loss
9
is only
points.
9 points stop loss.
Okay, that is the
And
reason why
one
we are
more thing
getting
is that if you see, almost came to touch the stop
stop
loss here.
loss by mistakenly.
Exactly. You see here, almost.
But actually, our entry was little bit downside.
Yeah. If you see, almost came to touch our stop loss. Stop loss was 41, which is this. If you see, it made a low of how much?
Almost there only, but it didn't trigger.
You see, 41.07. So we just got saved.
If that was not there, no, this was not there.
Exactly. So this thing is
This risk we are taking, that's it.
things are going against us
But
because we
if it
knew.
is taking stop loss, we would have taken a trade again once again
Exactly.
because we have a
Connection
conviction that
was
much
there.
that okay, we
If
will
you
be
see here from here to here, it directly went. Here I was seeing profit of some 10,000. What happened? Sudden crash came. It came down to cost. You see two candles only. One or two candles came to cost. Again slowly, slowly. Again you see 25 points down. Now again slowly, slowly. So this is a very good structure where market is giving false hope to the sellers that okay, now I will go down. And what's happening? Every time market is going down, it is going down faster, but recovery is also coming. So this thing, what's happening? Sellers are getting stopped out. Every sell on rise is getting stopped out. So now the structure is looking buy on dip as of now. So this is the first major resistance zone. What we can expect that it can change the trend.
again. You can see the EMS thing while it's working very good.
Yeah.
So every time it is touching that one again, it is
So
working.
this is the first major resistance. After that, this is the zone.
Exactly.
If you see here, yesterday also what happened? Market when came here, na demand was there, very good demand in this zone. If I create a box, just try to understand this thing. You see here, yesterday it was a demand zone, very high demand zone.
Exactly correct. So
And
that
today what happened? If you see here,
can I take one video? CryptX? CryptX, sir? Give me, show me for me.
if you see here, what's happening? Yesterday it fell down from the same level, and now market is in the same range. You see. So this is the only thing what we can expect is kind act as a resistance. And if market is breaking this level, again we will expect 50 or 60 points spike in the this thing gold. So let's see guys what happens. So yep, if it is going to our target, we will make 65,000 here.
we are just waiting for the New York session also. We
Yeah.
have like 13 minutes
So
left.
breakout.
So if the
let's
New York
see.
session is coming into the picture now, again momentum can come into the market and we can see again good momentum from here. If we see the data, BTC here is 2010, 13, 17, returns. Yeah. So that was the when the crypto market started booming up. No, so
Exactly.
nobody knows till then what is crypto and everything.
Yeah, so even after COVID also, if you see, this was the COVID year. You see, early 11,000 went to almost 70,000. So 7x returns in less than 1 year. And after that, you see the recovery also, correction also.
And
is same.
consolidation period was also like 2 years. And after that,
So
only started giving a
again,
momentum.
same thing now. BTC, the structure is that if it is going up now, it will go up faster. Plus,
Exactly.
more people will enter. But what if start going down? What will happen? People will not enter. Even they will start exiting even faster.
Exactly. So this is like purely we talked about. No, there is no fundamental nothing here. It's all about
Yeah.
demand and supply game. Do we have one more if that
See,
is
let me tell you something. VM don't try to trade breakouts, breakdowns in any asset. Breakout, breakdowns don't sustain.
okay?
The
That
probability is almost 35 to 40% max to max. So every 10 trades you are going to take, 6 is already against your favor.
so retracement you can plan okay again
So
here.
what you do now think what kind of structure is? Structure is buy
Buy
on
on
dip.
dip. So
And
whenever
what
retracement is coming, we can
yeah.
again try to plan for a trade here.
In buy on dip structure, now what will happen? Every time market makes a new high, it will come for retracement.
Exactly.
So buy at that retracement. You see here new high retracement, new high retracement. And if you see this retracement is bigger, why? Because it tested the previous resistance zone.
Exactly.
So don't buy at the breakouts, buy at the retracements.
See, the thing is like what you can do is like see now the new York session like 6:32 you wait the market is closing above 4,900 level and it's again coming back to 4,900 level. So from there you can pick up.
Yeah, so now
Okay,
again we are getting 18,000. I think
18,000
again it
profit.
touched 20,000.
Okay, this is like what we can do. We can plan about that one. So you just try to wait for the new York session open, then it just goes upside and returns back to that level. Then you can try to pick up it. Okay, see, our stop loss is very far. You
Yeah,
can peacefully sit here, but when you are
exactly.
taking a trade, you can like little bit impact will be there for you. Okay, that's a possible stuff.
So please don't go buy at breakouts and breakdown, guys. If you see the structure of gold, breakouts, breakdown don't sustain.
And as of now, volatility is very high in the gold. Correct.
Yeah,
So like stop
small
losses
corrections 15 20
exactly
points.
15 20. Yesterday you saw right how our like
Exactly.
stop loss and how our target was like immediately.
Yeah. Yesterday it was very good
Yeah.
trade. So we got 10,000. First trade we lost 4,000.
And
Then second
immediately
trade
next trade we got 10,000.
10,000.
Very fast momentum. So
Yeah,
in
so it
single
should be
candle.
here.
They are upside.
This is XUSD PXG.
PXJ.
So we'll show you PXG yesterday. I think we took 5th Feb. This is here only.
Somewhere around here only we took a trade. This is not.
This is morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, here I think somewhere here. Somewhere here, guys.
Exactly.
So one time, I think one we went to short side. That short took our stop loss. You see, guys, again 20,000 is closed. You see 200 USDT we are getting. So let's see. And then we took a long. Yeah, here we took again long somewhere here, and it gave a very good targets.
Very quick target was
Yeah.
there.
So in the live itself yesterday we took.
Somewhere around here only we punched.
Yeah, winners yesterday first trade escalated immediately. Then second trade was 1:2 and 1:3 almost.
Yeah, guys, this is like 900 level is getting now breakout. Let's see if the 900 is giving a breakout, the momentum can be there for a little bit for 10 20 points. It can again catch up from there.
Exactly. So let's see. See, don't try to trade breakouts. Sometimes what happens, breakout will give and then suddenly fall will be one faster.
And like wait for the like pullbacks only, guys. Like buy
Yeah.
on dip structure only.
So when
Wait.
it's a biotip structure, only buy at the dip, not
Yeah.
at the breakout.
We'll give you something if you are getting definitely we will give you
Yeah,
the entry points where you can take a trade, where you can plan a trade. So
exactly.
it will be helping you a lot. Okay, that also we can do. So it's going in a good pace now.
So it's testing 20,000 rupees and then coming down. So here also, two, three times.
Exactly.
So let's see what happens. So if you see this 4,900 level, very round level, previous swing high, multiple time rejection is tested.
And the sharp fall, you can see the
Yeah,
pace there. It's very good. So whenever the market is going to 900 level, you see the pace, it's suddenly falling downside.
yeah.
So that the same it is expecting that it will happen. You see, it came directly like 30 points downside. But the pace is again picking up. The buyers are picking up in the stuff here. So today is like very good bias, is there bullish bias. So that is what we are expecting. It will go higher. So let's see what happens. Nothing is there in our hand.
Everything is risk reward ratio game.
Exactly.
No, nothing is different. Risk reward ratio is the ultimate thing. This is going to protect you in the live market.
Okay.
4,900. So let's see. Guys, anyone else took any trade in CryptX today, huh? Please update in our chat box now. And try to join our live every day, which we are doing around 6 o'clock. So we will be taking same trades in the pre-New York session or just New York session opening. So 19K, 20K, almost the market is stuck here. The breakout is coming, we can do. You see here 18 to 19, 19, 20, something like this is happening. Hmm. Hmm. You see this 4,900 level, round level, market is facing here only hurdles. Once, see if you see now, what's happening, this is the box. And now this is the middle point of the box.
Exactly. So 50% of
Exactly. So
and
50%.
900 itself acts as a very big
So
psychological number.
three psychological things are here, plus last swing high also. If a breakout comes, it will be slow and it can be fast if the market in 6:30 US session opens and going up very fast.
Exactly.
So first target we will expect next this swing high. So 40 points above. So don't think that okay the breakout is coming, you will also enter very fast. These things don't happen. Always wait for retracement. Always. If you don't get retracement, just leave that thing.
Wait for the entries. Exactly. Now the gold and silvers are too much volatile, guys. You will be getting keep on entries. Okay, don't worry.
Earlier it was not, it not even 100
10
points.
points, 20 points, 30 points, 40 points with the big targets. Now 100 points we are targeting.
150 points we are
Yeah, we are
targeting.
targeting for 150 points. And stop loss was also priorly 5 points. That makes sense. Now the 5, 10, 15 doesn't make sense. Huge volatility is coming into the picture.
Yeah, we are, every day we are conducting 6 o'clock around every day, Monday to Friday.
Yeah, some around like 6 o'clock.
6 to 7 we are doing every day. So please join every day. You can share your links to your friends who is also trading into trading and explore our product, this CryptX. The charges, brokerage charges is one of the lowest in the industry.
If you have to open an account, I will be sharing you the link. You can
Yeah,
use
you
this,
can
and you will be getting free course as well of the crypto, and like 10% is less brokerage also.
Yeah, algo integration also you will get. So again, 19,000 you see here, this is 4,900 level. Market is multiple time tapping this, facing rejection. So market is also waiting
Now
for
we are
new
getting
session
at
is open.
900 level, it's coming.
So again,
Yesterday was a huge momentum in the new session.
new
Like
session
13,
opened,
14
yeah,
points in just
suddenly
1
20
minute.
points candle came
1 minute,
downside.
1 minute candle.
Then recovered itself also.
There we stopped out and again we took a trade.
Long position. Yesterday
Yeah,
also
exactly.
our bias was bullish only.
Yeah,
First trade stop loss 5,000 loss. Another trade good 1 is to 2 we got 10,000. That even better. That even went higher.
exactly.
We exited early. So same thing risk 4 to 5,000 we are taking in front of you. Now still we are getting 1 is to 4, but target is 1 is to 16.
Now that we are not losing anything, we are like in the we
Yeah.
know that we took a trade at 51, we are like 60s.
So again market is testing the same levels, guys. You see here.
Consolidation. So 5 minutes to open, no? So 4 minutes if
Yeah. So market will try to see what's happening. Nah? Try to understand what's happening. Market will try to remove the weak players again from the
exactly
trades. Whoever just bought now, whoever just sold now, market will try to remove them. Someone who sold, let's say someone who sold now from these levels, thinking this will act as a resistance, market will try to remove them by giving a big spike on the upside. The moment it will give a big spike breakout, what will happen? People will start going long, and then again it will come for retracement, and that retracement will also be big. In that retracement, again buyers will go out. So that's how the market moves in gold. Basically, demand and supply game. Mostly it's a SL hunting, SL liquidity sweeps. So if you in a forex, you will understand this liquidity sweep thing. So mostly it's a liquidity sweep in forex. So don't get stuck in this liquidity sweep thing. Just try to go with the structure and then patiently wait for your entries.
And today you see gold is up, silver is up, and BTC as well up. Okay, everything is picking up here today. So silver, yeah, it reached our target, guys, but the entry point we missed here. Okay, like I basically we missed the entry point, so we placed but little bit lower. It would have made the sense. You see this one. It was a very good trade. So it is like sharp entry, pinpoint entry, touched and started going upside. This is also 1:3 entry. So the day high was
we got entry here in trading view, but
the trading view, it took an entry, but in CryptX we didn't.
You know why this happened? Because what happens now, trading view, this is a different platform here, Oanda.
Onda, yeah, exactly.
And here this is different. So it's not like that price lag
That
there or difference is there.
I made a mistake basically.
Exactly.
Why? Because the changes that I need to have observed that one, and I kept a little bit higher.
Exactly.
Then it have taken a trade. So there
these
also
are the technical things we are telling you. Please try to observe these things and understand these things.
There
Don't
also
make
would
the
have
same
easily
mistake.
been 10, 20K.
Here though we could have made even more because lot size was 25.
25 lot
size was 25. So here we could have made at least 40, 45,000 so far.
Exactly. So that is
You see the change here, guys. What is the change from here to here? 5% almost. So
1 year return on silver.
1 year return on silver in just 4 hours.
Exactly correct. So this trades we will be updating. Keep on. See, opportunities will not like 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, third day we will be getting opportunity. We'll wait for the opportunity, then only we'll try to punch the trade. Okay.
So don't try to trade the breakouts and breakdowns. Wait for the levels. Again, if you see market is testing 4,900, third time it has tested. First, second, third. So see, don't think in gold now, like more time the gold is testing same level, it will start getting weak. These things don't work in gold. It's completely demand supply. It will give you a breakout when you are not expecting. And if you are expecting that this breakout will come, it will not come. So this is a completely demand supply. Understand? It's a complete demand supply.
But if it is consolidation, the chance of breaking a little bit higher.
Consolidation comes, but breakout will come before taking the stop loss of the people who are going for long.
Yeah.
Basically weak players.
Immediately will try to come retracement
So
from there.
15, 20 points again it can test these levels. You see here? again it can try to test
90
these
level
levels.
also in 5 can easily come to 90 and again touch
Yeah,
from there 80.
maybe it can break this low in when the US market will open, suddenly break the low and suddenly recover.
Yeah, we have
Anything can
one more
happen.
minute to New York.
Yeah,
Actually, we started. See, the pressure started. 1 minute
pressure is
only.
building. Yeah, so
New York
closer
session
we are
started.
getting,
It is yesterday
more
also the
use the
same
pain.
stuff happened.
Yeah,
So the pace was really good. And gold, you see, I like every time I tell you, na, see, whenever you want to observe the momentum in gold, first observe in the silver. Silver is the first guy who will try to show the momentum first.
yeah.
Okay,
So
and
how much lot in this trade we are? So Nilesh, we are holding 4
4
lots here. You can see this
yeah 4.11.
4.11.
Yeah, max
Yeah,
capital.
capital requirement is 65,000 also. So we see this trade also. Nilesh, I've already shared in the community at 2:30. Just try to check. And now I'm even saying beautiful. Could you also share the logic behind the trade? See, logic is very simple. Again, I'll tell you. Again, I'll tell you guys what was the logic. So let me first hide these things. So if you see here what's happening, let's go in 15 minutes. So guys, just give me 1 minute now. Your session is opening. Let's see how that is going to react. Then we will discuss about
Yeah,
logic.
see the pace up
See,
and down. Volatility, you can see,
anything
guys,
can happen, guys. Anything can happen.
900 level.
So it's not breaking 9,000, 4,900 level. Just give me 1 minute. We'll discuss. So now
See,
it's given a
see the
breakout.
pace, guys. Up and down volatility is
Yeah.
crazy.
So 21,000, 22. Oh, see,
23, 20. New York session, guys.
4914.
13, 14, 15. Started increasing. I told you now. So
So high is
basically, you should be.
4915. See, high is 4915. So don't think now what happened. Now what happened? People who started shorting, they got
Exactly.
stopped out now. So don't think that you will go long and market will keep going up. What happens? It will go down again. Remove the
The
weak bias.
first
Then slowly again.
first 5 minutes, 15 minutes, volatile will be very huge, guys.
Exactly.
Okay, yesterday also you saw. So just try to wait, and when the perfect like pullbacks is coming, then we'll try to enter. You can
Yeah.
see
See now what will happen now? People who short from these levels, they got stopped out here.
exactly.
Now again they got stopped out. Now people are entering for long side. So now
Yes.
market will try to remove those player also.
Yeah.
So this level now market can try to remove these players by going to previous swing lows. What happened? Anyone who entered here, they will think, okay, our stop loss will be below this low and we will go for long.
Exactly.
Market can sweep their liquidity also and then maybe slowly again it can go up like this.
And see, as I told you, silver. So you can see the silver, guys. So that is the guy who will
Yeah.
first try to
See,
show the momentum. You
momentum.
see,
Oh, break.
huge momentum. First, silver will give you, and after
Yeah.
that,
So
immediately gold will start
4916.
following. So if you're 25 years sitting in profit now,
25,000 cross price. Okay. You just need continuous momentum. So this will be the high of this box will be our target,
first
which
time.
is 493.
See the pace, guys. Silver, you see again. I told you, no. So always try, like, see, prior when I used to trade, no, I used to only observe gold, nothing else. Then I understood that okay, silver is the guy who is first bringing up the momentum. Okay, he is
Yeah.
the guy first indication that okay, momentum will be there or will not be there, or either upside or downside. But he will try to show you. See, silver is again like 6.7% up.
4925 high.
We will discuss that like why we took a trade and everything. We will
Yeah,
tell
we'll
you about that stuff
tell
as
you
well.
the logic as well, everything.
Just we'll say just for 5 minutes, the
5 7 minutes.
volatility will be very good. So we are coming almost to 30K now.
See, we are also excited because these things don't happen every day.
Exactly.
So let's see. See, high made 25. It's cooling down now. See here.
See now pullbacks at where we mentioned no. So somebody who took
Yeah.
like immediately 10 points to 5 points stop
Yeah.
loss,
See this.
immediately it will take. Okay, immediately 5 points stop loss will be there here. So that is the reason why
Yeah.
we are telling not to take trade in
See
there.
that. Try to understand the psychology. See what happened. 4,900 is tested. Consolidation. See, market open. Now people who were short here, they got stopped out. Now, if someone is holding this trade, what they will do now? Basically, some people will do stop loss below this candle. Or some who are positional, they will think let the stop loss be below this swing low.
It will try
So
to take that
yeah, so
immediately.
it will try to take that liquidity because gold now it will move kind of like this. The faster it goes up, faster it will go down. So this low it can take and then maybe slowly again it will go up.
Exactly. So in the retracement area, you can plan a trade where
Exactly. So
this
buy at
happens, guys.
retracements, but it's not like that retracement is coming and you're buying.
Yeah, take the stop loss, accept it, and then
Exactly.
see the structure is it is changing,
So let's say
and
you're
then
buying here with the stop loss of this. So let's say this. So here this is 4895. Stop loss is this.
10 points, sensible points only.
So 10 points again.
See, it's coming.
Again target will be this. So
See,
what happened?
13 points, 14
Yeah,
points.
short side liquidity now taken. Now market will try to take the liquidity of the people who are going who went long.
See, this is how volatile will be the new
So
session.
the psychology you have to understand, it will keep changing. It can directly crash to our cost price also.
Exactly correct.
Anything can happen. Anything can happen, guys. So 30,000, I think we got.
Yeah, and silver, you see again, it is 7% is trying to go in a good pace
So
manner.
this trade though we missed. It is also
A regret.
FOMO.
Yeah. Now that we will not take trade. Why? Because it's got like that. It's
Yeah.
gone. Okay. Like it was a pinpoint entry.
So
Then
30,000 almost it went, guys.
okay.
So let's discuss about trade breakdown now. So someone was asking, AVM, you were asking like why did we took this trade? So I'll tell you like the trade breakdown. So first see the structure of the gold. If you see for the last 2 3 days, let's go in higher time frames.
You can pick this section from here. See guys, silver, I told you now, silver is the guy first who will try to show the momentum. Okay. Observe that guy also. Okay. Silver and gold are like very, like they will be together, momentum will be there.
So what happened? Rally correction, small retracement. Now what kind of structure is this? This is buy on dip. If you see here, market almost tested this opening prices, sorry, closing prices. This is the closing price. A retracement, correction. Again, market started picking up from the same levels.
Exactly.
So if this level is respected, what we are expecting next level market will respect is this. Again, which is our level, our target, 5,000 levels. And 5,000 is a round level, so anything can happen. Market again can feel a selling pressure. Why? This candle tried to go above 5,000, failed. This broke the 5,000, but acted or closed as a doji. Now this candle, what happened? Selling came.
Exactly. So it has kind of a seen a good pressure from this,
Exactly.
and again it started coming down.
Now, if you go in 5 minutes, what was our analysis behind entering in 5 minutes? So if you see here, our entry is somewhere here, somewhere here. Sorry, somewhere here is our entry. So what happened here? Market was in very good buy on dip structure. Every time market is making buy on dip, all the previous swing lows are protected. You see here. So what happened when this rally came? We were waiting for retracement.
Exactly.
We were waiting for retracement. So this retracement came, small retracement, and here we entered at the third buy on dip structure. This was the third buy on dip structure. We entered with a small stop loss, 9 points. It almost took the stop loss, almost, but still protected by some very small narrow margin, and then slowly going up. Slowly. Now it's coming for a correction retracement, guys. If you see, so 30,000 we went. Now it's again 25K. So please don't plan anything if you are planning just because based on breakouts and breakdowns.
Exactly.
Market anytime can, if it is giving us breakout of 25 points, it will give a breakdown of 25 points also.
So wait for the pullbacks, and then if you're getting a proper stop loss entry, then you try to take a trade. Okay, in a continuation manner. Today bias is bullish only. And see silver. See, as I told you now, silver started correcting. This is the guy who will try to show you the momentum first. So you closely try to observe silver. Okay, so closely you see what's going on in silver, and can understand the momentum in this also. Okay, gold. So BTC is also picking up. So yeah, the same everything structure. You see, same structure is going on in three charts also today.
Yeah.
Same, nothing else.
Well, anyone took any trade here? Please let us know. No? Put in chat box. Anyone took any trade? Basically, we are telling you to wait for some time. Let the market settle down. After the breakout of rally, let the market settle down. Anyone took any trade? Please put in the chat box. No? Who is here? Nilesh, did you took any trade? AVM, anyone here?
Vinay, Karthik.
5 10 minutes.
So guys, if you are waiting for a pullback entries, the levels are like see like 900, like 89. Okay, so here you can pick up the pace. Okay, that is the good level will be there. So
So high
98.
did you see 4925?
Yeah.
See high at 4925.
Yeah, 998 kind of is a good retracement level, guys. You can basically go for a 98 wala thing. Okay, so that will be working for you.
So now you see now what market price is doing. Price is away from the EMAs. It will definitely try to respect,
Yes.
which is a correction, retracement. So don't plan anything. Just wait for some time. Let the market settle down. Then we will take trades. Understand? So wait for some time.
So we'll be keep on holding this trade, guys, for a long
Yeah,
time.
whatever it is, we'll update in the community.
Exactly.
You can this thing track this trade the trade position through community, guys.
Okay, guys. So,
Yeah.
like as I mentioned you, the trade, if you are planning, so that will be sitting around somewhere around here. The retracement it will be 900 or 89, so 98 level. So if you picked this trade here, so just a minute, I will remove this one. Okay, I will remove this one as well. See now, if you are planning for a trade, which will be somewhere around here, guys. So keep a stop loss of somewhere around 9 to 10 points stop loss.
Here you can keep your stop loss,
Okay.
last swing low.
Yeah, 15
Because
points.
correction you have to keep in mind.
And your target will be 40
For first
points.
target
Okay,
will be
1
this.
is to 2 you can target, but that is also is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the area where you can pick if you
So
are
we'll
planning for a
yeah
trade.
we'll tell you entry price will be 4898. Stop loss will be guys 4884, and first target will be this thing 4940. So 1:2 more than 1:2.
Exactly. So this
Yeah.
you can try to plan the trade. Okay,
So
guys.
again we are picking up, patience picking up guys.
Okay, guys. Then thank you for attending the live. We can wind up for
Yeah.
today. Okay, let's catch up on
So
the Monday.
30,000 it went guys maximum. Again stop loss is little bit above the cost only. We'll just leave it and we'll update in the community.
Okay, thank you. Thank you
Okay
so
guys,
much.
so we'll
We'll be
again meet
updating in this.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Monday we'll meet.
Okay,
So
thank you, guys.
Saturday, Sunday, just watch these lives.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, waiting for your guys to confirm. Yep, exactly. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for attending the live.
Yeah, guys. See you tomorrow, like Monday. See you on Monday.